Hello friends, how are you today? We're opening up a new program called Excel, and you'll notice that down here I've got Excel opened up. As you can tell, I've got a bunch of things down here on my taskbar, but I've got this one that is green with a white X, and that is called Excel. So take a minute to find Excel. You might have to type it in down here where it says type here to search. And you would type in Excel, and you would find it right here where it says Excel as an application. All right, so we're going to go to a new blank workbook. So inside of Excel, it's called a workbook. So I am going to click on it, and you're going to see all of these things that are here. Oh, it's a lot of things. So we've got A, B, C. We've got our alphabet across the top, and I can keep going to the right, and you can see there are double A, AB, AC. You can see that it keeps repeating. There are, I think, 1 million of these little rectangles, and they are called cells. So Excel. So we're going to put everything into these little cells. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go crazy and go to C3. PO. I always like to do that. So I'm going to go to C3. Now, see how I can tell I'm on C3? Because it's got a C lit up there, and it's got a 3 lit up there. All right, so I'm going to go to C3, and from C3 I'm going to put the number 1. After I press the number 1, you'll notice up here it pops up. Okay, and I'm going to say, all right, I like the number 1 there, and I'm going to hit enter. And instead of it going to the next cell over into D3, it takes me down to C4. Now I'm going to put the number 2. All right, and I hit enter again to go down. And then I'm going to put the number 3, and then I'm going to put the number 4, and then I'm going to put the number 5. And you can put as many numbers as you want in there, but I'm just going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So go ahead and put your numbers in. 1, enter, 2, enter, 3, enter, 4, enter, 5, enter. All right, and I'm going to click down here on this box, which is C8, and I am going to then find my magic button. There is a magic button up here somewhere. Does anyone know what that would be called? Actually, it's hidden behind my little taskbar there. I'm going to move that down. Over here, it looks like an E, doesn't it? It looks like an E or an M turned to its side, and that is called auto sum. So another way of saying we're going to add things up is using the word sum. We're going to find the sum of all of these numbers. And take a look. I'm going to click on auto sum, and it's going to say sum equals sum of C3 through C7. And you can see there's like this racing line going around it. Like this race going on of white dots, right? And it says equals the sum of C3 through C7. It's basically asking us right now. It's paused. It's like, are you sure you want to do that? And I say, yeah, I want to do that. So I'm going to press enter again on my keyboard, and voila. The sum of 1 through 5 is equal to 15. How about that? Yay! It's so exciting, right? It automatically adds up the numbers that are listed right above it. Now, what if I changed the number 4 to a 5? What would happen? What if I changed the 4 to a 5? What's going to happen? Okay, let's try it out. If I change the 4 to a 5 and press enter, it's still going to remember my formula of C3 through C7, add those together. So what's going to happen? Boom, you are correct. If you guessed, it would add 1 digit to our 15 to make 16. All right, well, that is our lesson on auto sum. Have fun with it, change colors with it. Boop. Filling in the paint of it. I like to do. Always remember, if you don't like things like that, hit this undo button up here at the top. Rewinding. I love it. All right, guys, have a great day with your auto summing, and let me know how it was. If you have any questions, contact me at roholcomb@prive.org. Thank you.